Wanted to do another video. We got a lot happening this week. That's the kitchen that was in the small apartment, or just the sink rather. We'll look at the yard a little bit before I go into the house. These should be some flowers soon. Some seeds I planted a while back. And these will also, there's some flowers in there. Also just some greenery. Lots of changes, and our grape plant here has started to sprout some little leaves, so soon we'll have some grapevines. The herbs are doing good. We've already dried and jarred some dill. Got a lot more coming. Got some roses here about to bloom. It's a hazelnut tree. Got some purple flowers in here that should bloom soon. Greenhouse is doing great. A lot more coming soon. Lots of different things in there. Drying some mint. And the garden is doing really well. We got some jalapenos, eggplant, pumpkins, tons of different tomatoes. There's, let's see, 12 tomato plants there, some lettuce on the other side, broccoli, some berries. All right, let's go in the house. Oh, one more thing. Something that's been really nice. I know I mentioned it in another video, but I really like this. It's really great. And I had never seen anyone in America have this, but a rainwater collection. And this was empty and it rained today, and now it's almost full. We've got these other 2 barrels we fill up. It's really great to have. Okay, to the inside. One second. Okay. So this room is still a disaster, but we won't renovate this one for a while. Okay, so the small apartment, all of the walls in here are finished now. Painted, ceilings. It's really hard to see the nice texture that's on the walls now. And this room has kind of an edge around it, or a rounded edge. We got all our new light switches in. Everything's so nice and clean. The heaters, Lars put these in today. All nice and clean. The other heater, and the rooms are all clean and ready for our new flooring that will hopefully be put in soon. We've got our exposed beams here, looking very nice and clean. And we are outfitting a kitchen for this area, a very small kitchen for this area this weekend, and so seeing what we can get. Got our cabinet there. In the bathroom, I think more of this is getting done this weekend too. We ordered our tiles for it, so we're doing like this color, like the tan on the floors, and then like a lighter version of this green tiles, on subway style tiles on the walls. And then we have like a kind of an iridescent backsplash that'll go like a line through the back of the shower there. Okay, so next, the large apartment where my parents are staying. So the plumber will be coming tomorrow and getting the new toilets and sinks in, so I wanted to do a video before that. So the floors are done in here, they're looking beautiful. I've got a few furniture items in here, but not much set up yet. The heaters are in. Nice clean walls. Floors are looking really, really nice. This is the only heater we haven't been able to get back in yet. I think the plumber will help us with that tomorrow. But looks so nice and clean after he did the silicone around the edges there. Looks great. The bathroom doesn't really have any changes, but I think those will come in time. And the door has not been put on this area yet, but they're working on it. And this will get a new toilet and sink soon. And get rid of this old stuff. Kitchen floors. The dining room. It's just having the paint and the floors done, it just changed everything. It doesn't look like a construction zone in here anymore at all. A really huge living room. Looks great. Super, super excited. And that's all. Bye.